How's it going, everybody? This is Aaron from Corona Cigar Company, and I'm here to talk about the Montecristo 50 Humidor today. What's interesting about this humidor is that it actually pays homage to the 50 years of the Tabacalera de Garcia, home to companies like Montecristo, H. Upmann, and Romeo y Julieta. What I have for you guys today is this beautiful humidor made by Elie Blue, one of 75, making it a very difficult piece to get your hands on. This humidor holds 100 cigars and actually comes with 800 of these Montecristo 50 limited edition number 2 box press figurados. A humidor like this would be for a discerning person looking to add a handcrafted luxury product to their collection. So come down to Corona today and see it for yourself.